want y'all to put your hands up. This shit is crazy. Guess who's back? Monster Blockers. Oh, yeah. I'd like to welcome y'all. It's the new album. We fight back. We fight back. Yeah. We fight back. We fight back. Yeah. Yo, it's Rap Tilly, Moses, baby. I'm back in this bitch. Flow is crazy, it's so amazing. I done did it, we had none with it. Be son's tongue runs vividly. I tongue gun critics, we literally friction your lips. Be quiet, we riot. Anytime, any place, anywhere, anyhow. Monster Blockers, we all soldiers. Never give up, we all focused. Plus I don't need splash, hip-hop open. Rockin' ski mask, keep hip-hop open. I know you love my style. Fuck you, I hate your style.
Y'all know it ain't over. We fight like a soldier. Y'all know we take over. We fight like I told ya. We fight back. We fight back. Come on. We fight back. We fight back.
If shit's too hard, y'all too soft. Trust fuckers, I ain't falling off. I've been it in a minute in rap wars. I'm winning in rap bars. I'm killing them act hard on the internet. That's all. I'm grinning and finish them last off. I won't lose and I never back off. No, we pit bulling in your club. Always stay busy like bullets in the hood. Peace and it's peace, beef and it's beef. Half-hearted rappers stop beefing with me. Acting like they wanna meet in the streets. I ain't buying it like Bushido CDs. I know you love my style. Fuck you, I hate your style.
Y'all know it